When we go to learn to swim as adults or to become confident and safe in deep water, what is it that we really need to know? Most of the time when we have adults that come to us, they have tried and tried and tried to learn to swim in the past, but always seem to fail. And when we talk about their experience, we really look at that, gosh, most of their attempts have really been around front crawl or freestyle. Very different than if we go back to that image of those babies going in. You don't start these babies with the front crawl, various and sundry reasons why, but primarily because people who take their babies to these kind of classes, they want and need their babies to be safe around the water. They need them to be able to self-rescue. So when we come back, fast forward many years later to you as an adult, does your swimming instruction start with self-rescue?